Hey everybody, it's Tim from Norton Park United Methodist Church. I'm here today to try to do a quick tutorial, hopefully quick tutorial, on the Vanco website and Vanco mobile app. It's going to be useful for everybody who is looking to give to the church electronically and not have to be stuck writing checks every so often. These apps make it easy to give to the church and also easier to support great causes like the food shelf and the stove giving tree, and I'll explain a little bit more about that in a bit. Also, in the future, you'll be able to purchase tickets to our events, like the dinners and the garden tour on the mobile app and the web page. I'll walk you through a couple ways of getting to our homepage on the Vanco web app. And then we will work on getting you signed up on your phone if you prefer to do it that way. So hang in there and we'll get you through this. So the first way you can get to the Vanco homepage of Norton Park United Methodist Church is just the direct link through YouTube. For those of you that have seen the live feed from Easter Sunday, it is up on YouTube under Norton Park United Methodist Church. You can scroll down, and in the description there, I have pasted the hyperlink. So all you got to do is click that hyperlink, and it should send you right to our homepage. So the homepage consists of obviously our church title, the gifts and offerings, and then the support the food shelf I have put in for anyone who wants to give to the food shelf electronically. The first thing you have to do is sign up and create an account so that you can start giving on the Vanco website or mobile app. So you're going to go up to sign up. And once you get here, you're going to put in all of your information. It's a really quick form. It's just your first name, last name, email, and a password. It'll tell you how strong your password is as you create one, and then you're just going to go down and click Create Account. So once you sign in and create an account, you're going to see this profile page. So the profile just tells you a summary of everything that you have scheduled transaction-wise, or anything that you have purchased in your history tab. So any scheduled payments that you'll have will be displayed here. Any history payments that you'll have will be displayed here. At the bottom, it does show our Gmail address for Norton Park UMC, the phone number, and the address as well, just to confirm that you're sending stuff to the correct place. Down under payment methods, this is where you can store payment information. You can add a payment method such as a credit card or a debit card. You can also do a direct withdrawal from your bank account. Then the rest of it is just general profile settings and ability to log out. Once you go back to home screen, you'll again see our gifts and offerings home screen. If you hit the gifts and offerings tab, you'll bring up these windows, or these auto or fill in areas. And so here you're just going to put in your amount that you'd like to give. The second bar down here just is the frequency. So if you want to just do a one-time donation, a one-time gift, if you want to schedule that gift for a future date, if you want to have that gift removed every week or every couple of weeks or monthly. So there's plenty of options for everybody's wishes and what you would like to give to the church. The start date, it only really comes in if you're doing a monthly or a weekly or an every 2-week kind of period. It tells you when you would like that money removed from your account or debited to your card. And then of course you're just going to add to basket, and then once you add to basket, it'll ask you how you would like to pay, and that's where you'll set up your payment. I'm going to go back home here, and if you scroll down, you also see that we added to support the food shelf tile. These tiles will change as we have different events and different things we are participating in as a church. So you'll see the stove giving tree here. You'll see the food shelf. If we do the Bethany Crisis Shelter, hat and mitten drive, anything like that, anything that we could take monetary donations for, we would be able to include this as a tile on this page. So just keep checking it frequently, and any of the events and the community services that we want to support, we put up on these tiles as well. The food shelf donation works just like your gifts and tithing. It's an amount, a frequency, and then a start date if you want it to reoccur. And so that's pretty self-explanatory with that. And then the next thing I'll show you is how to just directly access this page from a web browser. So if you don't want to use the hyperlink in YouTube, you can get to our homepage via any web browser. So it's just going to be secure.myvanco.com/YH55W. You don't necessarily need the home. That just auto-populates once you hit enter. So once you hit enter, that also gets you to this same home screen. So for Norton Park United Methodist Church, tithes and offerings, and support the food shelf. Same place, just kind of different way to get there. If you choose this way first, obviously this up here will be different. It'll still say sign in here, and then sign up here. And if you need to create an account, you're still going to have to hit sign up first, and then enter your name and your email address and a password, and then you'll be ready to give to the church. The next way I'll show you is via your phone and the mobile app. All right, the last way you can sign up for Vanco to give to our church electronically is through the mobile app. So the easiest way to get to that is just either open the Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then you're just going to type in Vanco in that screen. And if you scroll down a couple, you'll just see this Vanco Mobile Faith Engagement app. So you're going to click on that, and then you're just going to open that, or you'll install it. I obviously already have it, so I'm just going to go to open. So the mobile app works very similar to all the other web page functionality. It's just going to be, once you initially get there, you're going to have to search for a church. And so in the search bar, you're just going to type in Norton Park United Methodist Church. You'll see us show up. It'll say Duluth, Minnesota, so you know it's the right one. You're going to click on that. They'll have you create an account, name, email address, password, same thing as the website. And then once you're registered, you're pretty well ready to go. So you'll have your profile, the organizations that you're supporting, your payment methods, your transactions are all going to be on your home screen. And you'll see the little picture that shows that it's the right place. Same thing goes here. Once you decide to start giving electronically to the church, you go to the Give To button at the bottom, which I'm not sure you guys can see. I will try to increase that a little bit. So you will see this icon here. You're just going to click on that, and it sends you to this giving page. So the giving page is pretty self-explanatory. It's an amount. So you can enter your amount, and then you're going to give to. And so this will designate which area you want to give. So you can give to your gifts and offerings, support the food shelf, or any other organization that we are supporting at the time. We will also add missions to this during our mission Sundays so that people are able to support our mission causes as well. And so once you select where you'd like to give to, you're gonna put in a frequency. So same thing as the web page. You're gonna either do a once on a future date, every week, every couple of weeks, or monthly. And of course, if you set up one of these, or this one, you're going to have to put in a start date of when you would like that donation to start. So we're just going to select give now. And then you're going to select your payment method. So what is different, and you'll see this once you start completing your payments, is that you can cover the processing fees. So obviously, being an online provider of payments, they get charged by every card uh, company out there to process this payment. So you can cover the processing fee. I think it's like 3%, but it'll tell you what the amount is. If you cover it, then your whole donation goes to the church. If you don't, they will take that processing fee out. You can also chat. If you hit the little chat function, you can hit the plus up here, and it'll show up. Everybody who's in your address book will show up, and then you can actually send messages. We can send out messages to remind people about what's going on in the church. There is a calendar that we will utilize in the future as well to let you guys know, again, other events that are coming up. So this will be able to be clicked on once we have some events in there, and then your address book here as well. If you have a message or a notification from us, that'll show up in your inbox at the bottom. I believe the app's a little bit more user friendly than the web pages, so I would encourage people to kind of start here if you're looking to join Vanco and help give to the church. I think that pretty much wraps it up. If you have questions, you can talk to myself, Lori or Bonnie, and we'll get you through this, and we'll get you set up. Thanks for your time.